Ito yung movie na talagang bibigyan ka ng galit, hinanakit.
Pwede ba magmura?
Nagawa mo naman dati, Arsenio. Hindi ba?
Sa akin yun na inasa lahat?
Actually, maganda siya. As in, nakarelate talaga ako to the highest level. Minsan, nasa-sacrifice ko na yung sarili kong kaligayahan just because for the family.
Ang sarap gumawa ng isang character na kahit na ganito, simple lang.
Mabigat pero sobrang saya kasi alam namin na there's really a way to get away from your toxic family.
Mahal ka namin, anak.
I think sobrang deeply intertwined yung story sa ating mga Filipino families. And I think makaka-relate lahat dito.
Hanggang kaya ng utak mo, ng puso mo, yakapin mo sila at itaguyod mo sila. Pag hindi mo na kaya, paalam ka.
Buksan niyo po ang inyong puso bago po kayo manood at siguraduhin niyo po na ready po, ayan, yung stress ball niyo.
So kailangan panoorin.
The film itself will teach you to realize how to value the family and of course, how to value yourself. So watch it, guys. It's a must-watch film. Grabe. Perfect!